Is your bonsai looking rough? Yellowing leaves, dry soil, maybe even some twiggy death? Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to tell if your bonsai is dying, and more importantly, how to bring it back. Quick thing before we dive in. If you're into practical, no-nonsense bonsai advice, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Let's start with a blunt truth. Most bonsai don't die suddenly. They decline slowly. So here's how to spot if yours is still alive and worth saving. Use your fingernail to lightly scrape the bark. If you see green underneath, your tree's still alive. If it's brown and dry all the way down a branch, that part's gone. But check lower. Bonsai often die back partially. Next, the roots. Gently remove the tree from the pot. If the roots are mushy, black, or smell like rot, that's root rot. Trim away any soft or foul-smelling roots with clean scissors. Keep only firm, pale ones. And don't repot right away unless you must. If roots are healthy and you're mid-season, just tidy and put it back. If you want a full checklist for bonsai revival, plus care tips that'll prevent this in future, grab the Essential Bonsai Guide. It's packed with practical info and available now at bonsaibarn.shop. Watering is usually the killer. Too much equals root rot. Too little equals dried out roots. Here's the fix. Only water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Not daily, not on a schedule, just when it needs it. Ask yourself, are you listening to your tree or following a routine? That question alone saves more bonsai than anything else. Now check the environment. Most bonsai hate sitting indoors in low light. Put it somewhere with bright, indirect light or morning sun outdoors. Avoid harsh midday heat or full-day shade. It needs enough light to rebuild energy, but not get fried doing it. If leaves are crisp or dropping, don't feed yet. Focus on watering and light first. Once the tree shows new buds or growth, then feed lightly. Use a gentle liquid fertilizer at half strength. And don't go mad with pruning. Only remove clearly dead branches. Let the tree recover first. Recovery takes time. Think in weeks, not days. Keep it stable, don't overcare for it, and watch for any new signs of growth. If your trees ever come back from the brink, drop a comment and let us know what worked for you. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, remember, bonsai is about patience, not perfection. I'll see you in the next one, or sooner, if your watering schedule needs an intervention.